fireworks under there. Actually, go do it to us.
Hold up. I mean, look at this kid. I mean, he is dead obvious. Because Uncle Paul's right to the right beyond that trailer. Okay, signing out.
Where'd he go? Oh my God!
Oh, it's smoking, dude. Holy dick.
Fucking fireworks under there. Actually, go do it to us. I hope my truck don't start on fire. Watch him.
Yeah, that was too obvious. It was too obvious. Eating corn grits. It's a dirty dog. It's a dirty dog. Pulling out. We're gonna have problems.
$7,000 and you just want to throw the fireworks under there. Gotta lock him on there. No, he wasn't supposed to do it.
No, he failed. He failed the prank.
Prank's gonna be on him pretty soon. Everybody influence him, that's the problem.
What?
He lets everybody influence him.
He's angry. You think it's real? Yeah.
Still got a light. Trust me, I know.
I do need to think real.
He's not old enough to know better. Obviously.
2 hours later.
Hi, how y'all been? Jonathan says the Top Notch channel has went haywire. I videoed me fixing this tractor, changing out all the oils, fixing stuff on it for about a good dang month and a half, I tell you. Got 2 years involved in this situation. And I videoed last couple days. Heather got married, my sister. And whatever so happened to my SD card? I knew, you know, my files are always corrupting, right? But I got a website thing that can uncorrupt them, right? Nothing can go wrong. Nothing in the human race can go wrong, okay? Nothing in the world can go wrong on my dog, you know, it's bulletproof. But I'll tell you what, the thing cracked in half, deleted all my wedding photos of Heather, and deleted all my fishing, and deleted all my tractor thing, and my arm busted, and I couldn't edit, really. So I was just saving it all on that SD. And I tell you what, that footage got deleted. I've been gone for a month on YouTube, or probably 2 by now, and I tell you what, life has been a mess. Life has been a living disaster. But look at this, my Alice Chalmers, me fixing that beauty. I mean, I tell you, that's a goddamn beauty, okay? And this thing just got busted off the footage. I changed, I went over here, watch this. This is another goddamn venting video. I changed that oil out, goddamn on my hands and knees, goddamn busting my ass. And I was bleeding blood, sweat, and tears on this baby. Bang! On that baby. And I tell you what, change the oil out of everything. God dang it. And I got conned out my footage by the devil.
You sold it to the devil for a dime?
No, I did not. Now, come eat ice cream with me, my fellows. As I have had a very good time with my camera, it's so discouraging. I don't really want a video, goddamn it, but I still do it. Even though, good 50% of my stuff gets deleted all the time, no matter what I try to do. I tell you what, look at this thing, it's just a beauty. Just like, get a big picture of this. It's so sexual. This is my thumbnail. Stay really still and zoom in on my face and a little bit of the tractor, That's my thumbnail right there,
Do it again. Do it again.
Or that's my thumbnail right there, goddamn it. I am a paparazzi specialist for the goddamn deleting of the nation. The Nazi Germany got involved with my camera and wrecked it. I seen those guys. Anyway, I gotta show you guys more projects I've been working on. Oh my gosh. Come closer. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a serious matter. Why aren't you videoing?
I was.
I'm restarting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just remembered. Now Jonathan says about the wildlife. He's gonna be phoning a treat pretty soon, god dang it. Cause I just remembered that my goddamn bitch 10 hours of working on a motorized bike and it all deleted. It all deleted because my SD, everything deleted. I'm just sad, you know. Jonathan says, hanging in there with Mother Nature. Let's go see what I'm talking about. I unboxed this baby in beautiful bluey skies. Let's go see. In the beautiful video I had going for me. Please help. Can't get down. See you out there, god dang it. Get over there. Come, my rabbi. Come. Now I'm taking you on a little adventure to my mansion. God dang it. Mansion flare stuff. I tell you what. Yellow. Nothing but a dick of a day. I wonder if Kyle's enjoying this herb zone. Wow, it don't look like it. This is sexual! Look at that! God dang, give me the camera. I gotta show some good shots. Some good shots. Now, if that's not a beauty, you are blind. Very much. I'll tell you what. That's a beautiful bike. That's a beautiful bike. I can't believe all the footage of me building this, hours of footage deleted. This kind of makes me very sad. But, oh no, dude. The company, me laughing and putting the garbage in a box. Oh, that garbage. Okay, let's reenact it. Yo. Now, god dang it. This part of my engine right there was loose and stuff and it would wiggle down here. So I got a full refund and I had one of these laying around because Kyle. And I got a full refund so I could just switch this out in the middle of my engine. I totally took the engine apart into pieces. I actually have a little Snapchat video of that. Play that, baby. I went to return that engine because it was broke, wiggling, but I didn't return the engine. My dad said to put a bunch of garbage in the box, so I put a whole bunch of garbage and I was throwing it in the box, laughing, and guess what? All the video deleted. and I actually got $200 back for that engine, and I threw a bunch of junk in a box. Wasn't even the stuff that came, because they scammed me. But I took Kyle's apart because it broke, and I put this inside of here, which goes right here. This is my venting video, so if you don't like me, click off. Now look here, the piston, chook, 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 right? And I completely opened the engine. Aim over here and show the parts and stuff. That's Kyle's engine. Spit on it. Now, I totally tore that thing apart. Totally. I'm a good mechanic, but I can't believe this thing. Man, look at that. BBR rims, racing sprocket, and it's just so nice. And the video deleted. What's that?
Brakes.
But I'm gonna edit like a mother father, because I have little attention span, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't like listen to me. This thing ended up deleting that video. I can't believe it. All my work into this thing, and it all got deleted. Just makes me sad, you know. All of Heather's wedding stuff, she's gonna be very sad. I mean, I at least posted pictures on Facebook, but it all got fuzzy and stuff. It was a sad story. But that's where life's been at. You guys wonder why I'm not fishing? It's literally been heat advisories, and I'm out in the woods splitting wood. How does that work? In my cast
Yeah,
and
he's
stuff.
splitting wood in that.
Yeah. Busted my arm when I split wood. I fallen into the pile and janked my arm. And I'll tell you what, everything got deleted. It's just sad. But subscribe, and if you somehow made it this far in the video without knowing me, subscribe, because you evidently like me. But if you didn't, and you're a hater, and you dislike the video, I'm gonna kill your kid. Cut that out. I'm gonna eat your children, because I'm Mike Tyson. And I'll see you later.
Wait, find the wood.
Life has just been horrible for me, but, you know, whatever. Whatever. Goodbye. And I got a new boat and everything. Bet you guys didn't know that. It's a dumb video.